Hello, my name is Anna Cook. This is my intro video for Mod 1 AEP 858. As I said, my name is Anna Cook. I am currently living in Overland Park, Kansas. I am serving as my third year as an orchestra director in the Shawnee Mission School District. I'm in my fifth year of teaching. I got married to my husband, Ryan, in 2016. So I guess we're still kind of newlyweds. We feel like it at least. Um, for fun, I love being outside. Hiking is so much fun. My husband and I are both musicians, so we always love live music. We are huge foodies and we love going to different restaurants and trying different recipes. And we are ridiculously big basketball and baseball fans. So with the start of March Madness, we're a little intense this time of year. As I said, this is my fifth year teaching. This is my third year in the Shawnee Mission School District. Before this, I lived out in central Kansas. If you've ever heard of Wilson Lake, there's a tiny town called Wilson off I-70. And I was the pre-K through 12 music teacher. I did general music, band, choir, and I started the orchestra. I was out there for 2 years, and every day I saw 130 kids, and I loved it. It was so much fun. And so for the past 3 years, I have been a 6 through 12 orchestra director here in Overland Park. Every day I see 180 kids, and I go between two schools, the middle school and the high school. And it's a blast, a ton of responsibility, but I love it. My leadership experience, I am the middle school, high school teacher, so I lead all of my area elementary teachers. There are 4 of them that I lead in festivals and concerts and preparation. All of that goes through me. I'm also serving for the next 2 years as our district's East Central KMEA High School Orchestra Chair. So I'm in charge of running our district convention for the Johnson County, Miami County, basically everything from Kansas City to Eudora, DeSoto. That's music for our district convention I will be in charge of for the orchestra. So it's a lot of responsibility, but I'm looking forward to it. In terms of using data, as a school, we get updates all the time on different data, student learning data, attendance data, survey data, a lot. And it's good to be informed, but I don't really know what to do with it besides look at the numbers and say, ooh or ah. So I am looking forward to learning more about that. In my classroom, I am a performance-based class, orchestra. We do lots of theory, lots of reading, writing of music, but primarily we play. And so I grade my class performance-based. I grade them individually as well as an overall ensemble. Acacia has a bunch of activities that we have to participate as an ensemble, so I grade both individually and as a group. I do not use data as effectively as I could, for sure. I have my tried and true method to make sure that my classroom is successful, but I'm would love to learn more about how to make orchestra a performance-based class, an arts class, more analytical. And so I measure growth, I enforce good habits. Some of my kids just need to learn to turn things on time and communicate when things go wrong. So I do participation, I do completion, and then we do have like pre-test, post-test, and the students can then grade their progress. Goals that I have for this class, I'd love to learn new ways of acquiring data in my classroom, demonstrating the variety of ways to display and present the results rather than my tried and true method. I think it'd be great to be a little bit more creative with that, especially if it means more effective feedback for my students. I think that is really what this whole thing is about. Also, the arts. I'm very supported in my district. I am very, very lucky to be where I am. But the arts are always a hot topic when budget cuts come up. And so data and assessment of the effectiveness of arts is extremely relevant to my current situation, just so other people and administration can see just how effective the arts are on other academic areas. So looking forward to the class. Thanks for watching.